Hello everyone, welcome back to our new session. In this session, we'll be learning a few food vocabulary, restaurant words, ordering food sentences, polite request, and restaurant conversations. Okay, so food. Basically, what is food in Telugu? It is bhojanam. We already learned it before. Bhojanam. Food is bhojanam. Bhojanam. So in food we have categories, right? Like rice, chapati, curry, dal, and so on. So rice is called annam. Rice, annam. Rice is annam. Chapati is chapati, or else you can say rotte. Chapati is chapati or rotte. Rotte. Curry. What you say curry in Telugu? Kura. 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 Dal is pappu. Pappu. Dal is pappu. Water. We have learned what is water is called as many times in the before sessions, right? Water is Neeru or Neelu. Neeru or Neelu. Food is Bhojanam. Rice, Annam. Chapati is chapati or rotte. Curry, Kura. Dal, Pappu. Water, Neeru or Neelu. Neeru or Neelu. Next, we have drinks and desserts. Okay, tea is tea or chai. Tea is tea or chai. Coffee is coffee. Coffee. Milk, palu. 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 Juice is same. Juice. Juice. Sweet is PP. Sweet. PP. PP. Tea is same. Tea. Coffee. Again, coffee. Milk. Palu. Milk. Palu. Juice. Same. Juice. Sweet. PP. TP. Next, restaurant vocabulary. What is restaurant is called as in Telugu? Same. Hotel. Hotel. For restaurant and hotel, in Telugu we use same word as hotel. Hotel. Again, menu is same. Menu. Waiter. It's called server. Waiter. Server. Bill is same as bill but with twist. Bill is billu. Billu. Table is table or balla. Balla. Restaurant, hotel. Menu. Menu. Waiter. Server. Server. Bill. Billu. Billu. Table. Table or balla. Table or balla. Next, some common sentences that we use for ordering food. Okay, you're asking, I want food. How you will say that in Telugu? Naku భోజనం కావాలి. నాకు భోజనం కావాలి. నాకు భోజనం కావాలి. That means I want food. Give me water. నాకు నీరు ఇవ్వండి. Or else నాకు నీళ్లు ఇవ్వండి. నాకు నీరు ఇవ్వండి. నాకు నీరు ఇవ్వండి. I want rice and curry. How you will say that? నాకు అన్నం మరియు కూర కావాలి. నాకు అన్నం మరియు కూర కావాలి. నాకు అన్నం మరియు కూర కావాలి. I want food. నాకు భోజనం కావాలి. నాకు భోజనం కావాలి. Give me water. నాకు నీరు ఇవ్వండి. నాకు నీరు ఇవ్వండి. Or నాకు నీళ్లు ఇవ్వండి. నాకు నీళ్లు ఇవ్వండి. I want rice and curry. నాకు అన్నం మరియు కూర కావాలి. నాకు అన్నం మరియు కూర కావాలి. More ordering sentences. So you are asking a waiter for menu card. So you'll be saying, please give the menu. Right? So in Telugu we say, దయచేసి మెను ఇవ్వండి. దయచేసి మెను ఇవ్వండి. దయచేసి means please. Menu is menu. ఇవ్వండి means give. దయచేసి మెను ఇవ్వండి. I want tea. నాకు టీ కావాలి. నాకు టీ కావాలి. నాకు means I. Tea is tea. కావాలి means what? Want. నాకు టీ కావాలి. I want tea. I want coffee. నాకు కాఫీ కావాలి. నాకు కాఫీ కావాలి. That means I want coffee. Please give the menu. దయచేసి మెను ఇవ్వండి. దయచేసి మెను ఇవ్వండి. I want tea. నాకు టీ కావాలి. నాకు టీ కావాలి. I want coffee. నాకు కాఫీ కావాలి. నాకు కాఫీ కావాలి. Now we are asking for the bill. You ate food, like you asked for menu card, then you ordered food, then waiter gave you the food, you ate. Now we are asking for bill. How you will ask? Give me the bill. నాకు బిల్లు ఇవ్వండి. నాకు బిల్లు ఇవ్వండి. నాకు బిల్లు ఇవ్వండి. Then you are asking, how much is the bill? Then you say, బిల్లు ఎంత. బిల్లు ఎంత. బిల్లు ఎంత. Give me the bill. నాకు బిల్లు ఇవ్వండి. How much is the bill? బిల్లు ఎంత. బిల్లు ఎంత. Now we are politely requesting. We already learned how to say please many times. So what is please? దయచేసి. Please. దయచేసి. దయచేసి. see how my mouth is moving so that you'll get the proper pronunciation of Dayachesi. Dayachesi. Thank you. At the end of every session, I'm saying thank you in English and also in Telugu. So how I'm saying? Dhanyavadalu or Dhanyavadamulu. If anything is right. Dhanyavadalu. Dhanyavadalu or Dhanyavadamulu. Dhanyavadamulu. You're saying sorry is kshaminchandi. And if you observe, excuse me is also kshaminchandi. Sorry and excuse me. We use same words in Telugu. Kshaminchandi. It's a little bit tricky to pronounce. It's ksha. Kshaminchandi. Kshaminchandi. The air should come out of our mouth. Ksha. Ksha. Kshaminchandi. How you say? Sorry or excuse me, we say kshaminchandi. You have to practice this word because it's a bit tricky to pronounce, but it is very easy if you practice. Okay. So how you say please? Dayachesi. Dayachesi. Thank you. Dhanyavadalu. Dhanyavadalu. Sorry. Kshaminchandi. Sorry or excuse me or kshaminchandi. Kshaminchandi. These are polite requests. Next, we have restaurant conversation. Okay, you are a customer and you are asking for food to waiter. I want food. So you are asking, Naku bhojanam kavali. You sat in a restaurant, you sat on a table and you asked waiter to come and you are asking him, Naku bhojanam kavali. That means I want food. Naku bhojanam kavali. So when you said, I want food, what is the natural reaction of a waiter? He say, what do you want? Right? So what he will say at that time? Meeku emi kavali. Meeku emi kavali. Right? You said I want food. Then he is asking, what do you want? Meeku emi kavali. First you asked, Naku bhojanam kavali. Naku bhojanam kavali. But you haven't specified what type of food you want. Like you want chapati, rice, dal, anything? You haven't mentioned it. So the waiter is asking you now, Meeku emi kavali. Meeku emi kavali. Then you are giving him answer. Give me rice and curry. How you will say that? Naku annam mariyu kura ivvandi. Naku annam mariyu kura ivvandi. That means, for me, I want rice and curry. Give me rice and curry. Here and is mariyu. Mariyu. Naku annam mariyu kura ivvandi. Waiter said, okay. So he will say, sare. Okay is sare. Sare. Quick revision. We know food, bhojanam. Food is bhojanam. Water, neeru or neelu. Neeru or neelu. Tea is same. Tea or chai. Chai. Bill. Billu. Billu. Menu. The same menu. Please. Dayachesi. దయచేసి. ఫుడ్, భోజనం. వాటర్, నీరు. టీ, టీ or చాయ్. బిల్, బిల్లు. మెను, మెను. ప్లీజ్, దయచేసి. ప్లీజ్, దయచేసి. That's it for today. In next lesson, we have few more interesting topics like how you'll hold a conversation in hospital or emergency situations like health, and if you're not well, you had an accident when you are visiting here, which is unfortunate. But now you have to learn how to talk in Telugu with people there, right? So we'll learn about those conversations in the next class. And thank you so much. But if you want to attend my live sessions or one-on-one sessions, please register in the link given below by Altera Academy. Thank you so much. Dhanyavadalu.